Hi, welcome back to Neon Tech channel. Previously we have made video on Pictory, on how to create video from script. It has two parts. If you like you can watch those videos. But today in this video, we are going to talk about how we can convert our article into a video, using the Pictory features, which is so great. So let's get started. And I will take to you my screen now. So here you can see this is our dashboard for Pictory. And as you can see here the video modes, like, script to video and article to video and edit video using text and visuals to video. We have already talked about script to video. Now, we are moving to the article to video. Later, we will talk about the rest of the two video modes. So if we want to create our video or visuals from article, suppose you have article written, so you can use that article to create a video. So for that we have to paste our URL. Here. So, let's say I have an article written. Here is my article. All I have to do is copy its link. And now I have to move back to the article to video. Then I have to paste the URL here. So there I have pasted my URL. Now we have to click to the proceed as you can see. This is recommended for blogs, press releases and any HTML articles, but you have blogs or press releases or any HTML written blog. You can use this mode to create your videos. So, let's proceed. It is now extracting key messages in the article like the main words from the article, and then it will convert these words into video. So as you can see, our word extraction is completed. And you can see the project name is AI for Bloggers, how to and when to use AI for blogging. Okay. So this is the source article and this is the AI-powered summary. Source or article is the thing in which we have our written blog, completely, and each and everything you can say. And in the AI-powered summary, these are the words and the main things from the Pictory platform to use as visuals. So and you can see, there are many words which are highlighted and they are also written in the way I powered somebody. So these are the main thing that will create our video. And as you can see, you can click on any line or any text and it will be added into the highlighted AI-powered summary. You have just to wait a little bit. You can change the setting, for example, to highlight keywords. You can enable it or disable it, and also auto visual selections highlighted keywords. If you enable it, it will automatically enable or highlight the word specific words and use it, okay? But in the auto visual, it will create the visuals according to these highlighted words. So whether you like it or no, you can select it over and also unselect it. Okay, so now we have to move to the next scene. As we can see, if we click on the next, we go to the template library where you can choose the different templates, or like how our subtitle will be shown. I mostly like this one subtitle template. You can even select from my templates if you have saved. So we will select the template and then we have to choose aspect ratio from 16 to 9 and 9, 16 and 1 to 1. So let's say we select this one and then we move to the other page. As you can see, It is creating your storyboard and analyzing every word and every visual that has to be created. And you have to just wait for it to be ready. Okay, so let's wait. So, the video analysis is now completed. So now as you can see, it has completely done analysis. And now, we are back to the storyboard and visual elements, and you can see the complete dashboard here. It is the project name, and this is the scene 1. Scene 2. Scene 3. And just like our previous videos. Now it is all the same, and you can change the timing here and like how much second you want it to be seen. Or you can apply to all the scenes. So this is our main thing. As you can see, we have all the scenes here as you can see. Its estimated time is 1 minute and 37 seconds and it has 13 scenes. Okay, so if want your scenes and video to be longer, you can select from the blog to highlight more words and then they will be shown here, and now we have to change. For example, let's say you don't like the scene 1. You can change the visual from whichever you like. You can select blogger or guide. It will show you the visuals. According to that, let's say you don't like the visuals. You can say, AI blogging. So now it will show you the visuals according to the AI blogging. As you can see here are different visuals. Now if you like, you can simply change it now, it will be changed. Okay? See, it's changed. You can also change its timing and everything. If you like to put up element, you can use the elements in here. And if you want to add text, you can also add the text, okay? And if you like to put up audio in it, let's say you want to apply a due, okay, so here is the song. You can simply cancel it. If you don't like to voice over this video. So, I will simply apply any voiceover. Okay, so then you can change the music. Let's say I want my volume to be 100%. And background music volume is 0. You can also change the branding section, whether you like to put enable intro scene, outro scene or no. Okay, so now, you can also change your logo here. So you have to upload it. If you use your own template, then your logo and setting will also be saved from your template, and you can also change the resolution for 720p and 1080p. And you can also change the aspect ratio from here. So let's get back to the story mode. Let's say your video is completed and you have enabled voiceover to all the scenes and you have hide the text, or you don't want to hide the text. So let's say all of the video is completed. And now you want to preview it. You just have to click on preview. It will prepare the video for preview. Let's say you have reviewed your video and everything is great as you just like. If you want to edit something, it's completed. Now you have completed the video and you want to download. You just have to click on download and click on video form. You can also select a spreadsheet, your video, social post and social post video from your Hootsuite. These are the two other things which I don't really recommend, but if you like you can use them. I will just click on video. And it will start repeating your video. And in step 1, it will create your audio, and in step 2, it will generate your video. So you will have download it and use it as you want. Okay, so now this is our video for today, in which we have learned how to tour video from any blog, or you can say any HTML blogging or any pressure release. Okay. And if you like the content, please share the video, and like the video. And please, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for most exciting content. So stay tuned. Thank you for your time.